Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how I have converted data from PDF format to Excel format. First of all, I will show you a PDF file which is here. You can see that there are some products, there are names, the categories, and obviously the units, the article numbers. So this data is actually available in PDF format. Okay, so I did a job for a client who asked me to convert the data from PDF format to Excel format. So this is the PDF format, and here you go. With Excel format, you can see that the first column is name, the second is category, and after that the units. Okay, and the same thing is you can see that there are products with name, category, and obviously the units. So you can see that let's suppose this is he tool, the name and the categories. You can see that the he tool, the name, and obviously the unit, the article number, and you can see that. So I have converted, I mean there are 141 PDF files, so I have converted all the data into Excel format. And here you can see that I have converted, like there are like 2000 plus rows, so I have converted all the data into Excel format. Okay, thank you so much.